Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Oh, him not dead. Yo, dog. You around there? Need to come talk to you, dog. Alright, man. Good man. Couple broke bone, my boss. A good man. Man of a king. Alright, sonny boy. I'm me, man. What for things are going on, dog?
Where's that? That sound like a bag of things are going on.
You even know that. See, a good door.
Yeah, man, you know the regular thing, just gonna break up the mango tree and bait it, you know. See, I have to clean.
Real, man. You see it, man. They are dog, I got you a little dilemma, dog, but you know, dog, say you're a real gallus, dog.
Yeah.
You say me, I can reason with your dog, cause you're my friend.
Yeah.
See me? You reason with your friend, them.
Yeah.
You have a friend, them back, brother.
Yeah. Where's that? What they bro, where you
Dog, you dog, you don't even feel it, I'm even tell it, dog. I don't feel like Michelle a cheat for me, dog. Good cheat to dog. Dog, last time I text her, I say, baby, I love you.
Yeah.
She said, I love you too, with 2 hearts.
2 hearts.
Normally she texts me with 3 hearts. I want to kiss your face, brother.
Dog! Dog! That's all serious, dog.
Brother, right now, me and I got to a headache, brother. Headache, good headache, brother.
Yeah.
Free this. Normally, we wake up to a nice selfie in the morning, brother. Wake up, she post somebody.
Truth is I'm tired, options are few. I'm trying to pray, but where are you?
Man, you know what? You're the rest, brother.
Man, them girls are wicked in my youth.
Why you don't even know that?
I post on self in my youth.
My own. No, so last night, me and her chill do dog.
Oh, God.
I'm here one man voice call, brother. Oh, me look, daddy.
Big Daddy.
That hit me a thing.
So what's your reply and say?
She say, daddy, I'm good.
My youth, that's a serious thing in my youth. And the last man that happened to in my youth.
Oh, what happened to him?
I share about 3 man in that.
She man, dog.
3 man in that. And I said purple heart and them thing me in my heart. So you know my youth. The girl down wicked.
Purple heart. I'm used to get purple heart. I'm gonna get the purple heart from where
No,
there.
you have done that. You have to cut that right now. Dog.
Why?
My that gone far, man. She go there and breathe and them things.
Belly?
Dog.
Youth.
Purple heart that in my youth. Cut out that dog right now, man. That man.
She feel like she good at cheat for me, brother. Different man.
So the man, she really married.
She married?
Just all like, imagine what she could have all that. Yeah, that's stew all in curry right now, dog.
Stew him curry?
Stew is curry. Stew is curry.